We're seeing a fundamental reorientation of the US dairy industry from a domestically focused sector to one increasingly looking at export markets for opportunities going forward. Their exports have risen to account for almost 10% of their production these days, and they're looking for more opportunities in that area.
Yeah, so their domestic consumption has slowed. What should the Australian dairy industry be doing? I mean, we have been quite focused on New Zealand.
Yeah. Part of the story is that Australian production costs on farm have more or less equalised with those in the US. So our competitive these days very much stems from post-farm gate, where we maintain an advantage in terms of supply chain efficiency, product tailoring to customers, access to market and customer relationships. So it's a matter of Australia staying ahead of the United States in those areas and continuing to extract premiums, as we do today, for our product in the international marketplace.
Yeah, so it's not a message, a scary message for the industry and for manufacturers in Australia. It's a cautionary note, you were saying before.
It's a cautionary tale. Australia's worked hard to establish a leading position as an exporter and supplier to core customers in the region. But with our cost of production more or less coming to line with those in the US today, we need to stay ahead of them post-farm gate in order to maintain profitable. And that's entirely achievable, but worth noting, the competition is rising from